Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 100K. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Mackenzie 2. I'm joined by the coolest kid in Africa. It's Joe Banana.
My name is Joe Banana, the coolest kid in Africa, on without all.
Yes, Joe. How do you feel?
Ish. Kasongo, yeah. My gaze. Sundowns.
Joe!
Steve. My gaze.
Yeah.
2.
Yes. Sundowns.
Sundowns.
1.
1. Steve. First of all, Steve, I get to dama no fentilo but anyway, Steve, happy birthday to Khabo Molot. Ke bolela ka kgoshi. Ka kgoshi ya Moleji. Happy birthday to him. So this one Magazine today was a big present.
Yes.
Yeah, for Kgoshi. Kgoshi ya Moleji.
Yeah.
I get to understand that now. Steve. Steve, I don't know if you remember my words. Steve, we're not going to favor Sundown. We're not going to Sundown. Steve, you remember my words that day? Bafana Steve.
Yes.
Kebuleti straight kare. There is no way Sundowns se ka jama case.
Uchi.
Yes. Kare there is no way. Wambucha why?
Yes.
Ka botsa kare Magezi. Ba dlala football ya ko magae. Ya ko magae. Aba dlala football ya buka.
Yes.
Ya gore o maka space. Wa understand? Ba le braga e ba ya pele ba ya morao. Wa understand? And ntshene idiragala go Limpopo ko Moleji Brian.
Yeah.
It was big. Ko Moleji kwa ba biditse dingaka kaofela.
Okay.
Today.
Yeah.
Ba bitsa baruti kaofela. Wa understand? Ba bitsa baruti kaofela.
Yeah.
Wa ba le marathon. That thing yela. Ne bontsha gore Limpopo is united. Wa understand? So everyone ba performance as tsebang. Wa understand? So today le bella ba shapa ba dinyaope ba di home ground nyaope ba Pitori. Wa understand? Bona ne ba ruta something. Mamela Steve, ne ba ruta something. E ba opela pina ya mbo that side. Magazine e pela mbo this side. Wa understand? E ba re pula ya Medupi Magazine pula ya Medupi. Ba shapa ka their own strategy Brian. Wa bona. So as from today, ne Kenya gore ba ithute o ba le zip.
Masundowns.
Yeah, ba be le zip. The reason are ke bolele so Brian ne during the week ne ba raseja di men's.
Yeah.
Ba re botsa gore bona ke bona government ibile ke bona squad.
Yes.
Understand? So okay ke squad ne mara lebelela today ba jile keng Magezi.
Yes.
Again but what dlala go guy go Dusty.
Yes.
Why understand?
Yes.
So eba won't something or all the time be ba ke potsa maka understand?
Yes.
So re group e one re na Makhosi le Magezi. Understand? Re tsere cup ka nako e one. Understand? Ka kgwedi e one.
Yeah.
Makhosi and Magezi ba tsere cup ka kgwedi e one. Understand? But anyway, congratulations to Magezi. We are proud ka Magezi. Wa bona ke tluile ke le da ko Captain Park ke tlo support Magezi as my home team. Kamo matata ka mo o tra go tlisha pelo wa rra ena ke bone re e tlo loka ya ntho e tlo diragala no
lose it a couple tse pedi ka less than 2 weeks.
asidi
Legend Cup.
asidi cup fela asidi cup fela le wait lu sitse le wait ba se sobra ka mo
Ke ka no tlhobotse le skipper mo farai. Sembaletse. Are sembaletse.
Asisona ke sa Nedbank.
A ke lone ba paletše.
Ke sa la season. Ke sa la
Yone ba
season.
paletše.
A ke re se bona se tsamaya le buruku ba
Ya
teng.
kwana Jana Jisiteng Sundowns ka tisa Nedbank ko Calling Black lo bona.
Buruku ba teng. Ke match.
Ja. Thank you.